Happy Sunday to you. Well, my days flow together. Been working on the bot some more. Got some, dealing with working with people who are wanting to test, working with the people who want to buy up the limited licenses, which I'm really cool with. Adding more features to the system to make it more user friendly. So right now I'm on the workflow aspect of it to make it easier to find the information you want, put it into the system, and have the bot go and do it. Um, so the anti-bot aspects of this seem to be working really well. I'm going to tweak the anti-bot code that I've got in it and make it more efficient. Or I should say the anti-bot code. So it seems to be working well. I'm getting a lot less flags popping up. So I'm really happy with that. Sites aren't stopping asking for verification or things of this nature. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, added lots of new interesting stuff. So it's still progressing for those who want to buy the license early. I'm cool with that. If you guys want to wait, the price is going to go up. So just thought I'd let you know the price is what it is right now, and the later price will probably be higher if it's available. So with that said, happy Sunday to you. I've been working hard on this thing. For those of you guys who have bought it, you're going to really enjoy it. For those of you who want to buy it, I think you're going to enjoy it too. Always could use more people who have the capabilities of doing the drop-in testing. I'd like to get some more people involved to actually, help me shake out the last few cobwebs out of it and make sure that, we're all happy. I've got checkouts on a lot of the premium sites where it means it goes all the way through the cart, puts the credit card number in, and the shipping credit card goes through all the verifications and out the door it goes. So we're there on some of the premium sites. I've got to do it on some of the other sites. I'm still carting on a few sites, but I'm getting past that right now because, well, every site's different. And after you get to a certain point, each site has its own little tweak, which will slow things down. So I'm working on the major ones and going through that process. Anyway, it's all good. Things are progressing nicely. If you want to be part of it, now's the time. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.